So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. If your PC suddenly has no sound, no YouTube audio, no system sound, nothing through your speakers or headphones, it's easy to assume something is broken, but don't panic. It's not hardware. It's usually a setting that changed, an app that muted itself, or an audio service that quietly stopped working. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 fixes that solve almost every Windows audio issue you'll face. We'll start with the simple stuff and work out our way deeper. Just follow along in order and test your sound after each step. So firstly, we're gonna make sure that Windows is using the correct output device. This is the #1 cause of no sound. Windows can switch output devices automatically when you connect Bluetooth gear, HDMI monitors, or USB headsets, and sometimes it switches to something you're not actually using. Look at the speaker icon in the bottom right corner. Click it once, and above the volume slider, click the small arrow next to the device name. You'll see a list of audio outputs like speakers, headphones, monitors, etc. Select the device you actually want to use and now play a video or a system sound. If you suddenly hear audio, you're done. If not, we keep going. Now on the second fix, we're gonna check the volume mixer for muted apps. Windows lets individual apps control their own volume, so even if your master volume is fine, one app can be muted without you realizing. So all you have to do is right-click on the speaker icon. Click Open Volume Mixer and you'll see a list of front-end apps with volume sliders. Make sure nothing is muted and the app you're testing isn't set to 0. If you're testing a browser, look for Chrome or Edge. Raise the slider and test sound again, and if it's still silent, the problem is deeper. Let's go to the next fix. Windows Audio runs on background services. If those services glitch or crash, sound can disappear completely, so let's try restarting the Windows Audio services. We're going to restart them by pressing Windows +R buttons. Type in the search bar services.msc. Press Enter and then scroll until you find Windows Audio. Right-click it and choose Restart. Then do the same for Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Wait about 10 seconds and test sound again. If audio comes back, the issue was a service crash, and if not, remove 2 drivers. Audio drivers can get corrupted after updates or crashes, so let's try repairing the audio drivers. So firstly, right-click on the Start button. Open Device Manager. Then expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device, then choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers, and if Windows says the best driver is already installed, right-click on the device again and choose Uninstall Device. Restart your computer and Windows will reinstall a fresh driver automatically during boot. After restarting, test sound again, and if audio still isn't working, we use Windows's built-in repair tool. Windows has a built-in audio diagnostic tool that can automatically fix common problems, so let's try and run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Firstly, open your settings, then go to System, then look for Sound. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot when you find it. Choose your audio device when prompted, and Windows will scan for issues and apply fixes automatically. Just follow any instructions it gives you, and when it's finished, test your sound again. And after trying these fixes, one of these almost always restores audio. So if one of these steps fix your sound, comment which one worked. It will help other people troubleshoot faster. And if you want more practical Windows fixes like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.